The Real Hair. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my eyebrows because they look like caterpillars. They look crazy.
Boy, if you don't.
And disclaimer, I do have microblading, but as you guys know, outside is lockdown, so there's no way of going to get it touched up or anything. So I'm just gonna have to make do with these things on my face. So let's get into it. I actually have a wax kit that my sister bought for me for my birthday a couple years ago. I had asked her for one because I don't know, I wanted one, and it's so perfect because it comes in such handy now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. The wax kit is from the beauty supply store. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully I don't mess this up because I'm drinking wine. So this is what the wax looks like. This is the brand. It's called GIGI, and super old because I have not used it in over a year. It was $10.99, and these are the strips that it came with. So yeah, we're gonna be using that. This wax actually requires being warmed up in the microwave, or you could like put it in a bowl of hot water and warm it up that way, but microwave it is. You guys, I forgot to take the cover off, so retarded. Like, so yeah, took the cover off, putting it back in the microwave, and I'm gonna heat it up for like a minute and see what it's looking like. And if I need to add more, then I'll add more. So and so it's not runny enough, so it's gonna go right back in there for like another minute or 30 seconds. So now, ooh, yo. Anyways, this is the consistency I was going for. Oh my God, I'm dropping it all over. Let me stop doing that. Okay, you guys, so after much trial and error, I'm finally back. I have freaking wax all over my hands, the floor, my phone. But anyways, hopefully I don't have to warm this back up. Showing you guys the consistency without making a mess. Right, so it's like that. And so ghetto, y'all, but I don't have the wax sticks, and all I have is this like emery board thing. I'm gonna use a new one that I never used before, so let's get that. Yeah, so the sticks that you're supposed to use look just like this, but they don't have like the filing on it. And I feel like that's gonna just be canceled out when I put the wax in it anyways. The wax is gonna coat it, so it shouldn't scratch my face, hopefully. And before I wax myself, I'm making a freaking mess. Before I wax myself, I'm just gonna use some cotton rounds and some astringent and clean the area. Trying to keep it professional. I use this brand, it's called Sea Breeze. It works really good for drying out your pimples and stuff like that. So I'm gonna clean the area. And throw that out. Alright, now we get into the nitty gritty. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my eyebrow up like how they do when you get in threading or when you get in the wax. Gonna dip, stuff it in there. Oh my God, I hope this comes out right, y'all. Pull my eyebrow up and just like try not to get it on my eyelashes, because that's happened a couple times. Yeah, and just kind of like spread it where the hair is. I have a high tolerance for pain, so this shouldn't be horrible to me. However, I haven't done it in a long time, so, you know, that's something in itself. And you kind of gotta have to like guide it back onto the stick. Make sure the hairs are covered that you want to get off. Okay. And then we're going to use one of these strips. It's a new pack because I never used this pack before. If you didn't have strips, you could like cut up an old t-shirt or something like that. It's not that deep. And you're just gonna spread it where the wax is. And this is where I went wrong the first couple times I tried doing this back when I first got the kit. I would just pull that way and no hair would come off, but I would be in freaking agonizing pain. You want to pull against where, like the opposite direction of where you put the wax down. So I put the wax going this way, I'm not gonna pull this way. Put the wax going this way, I'm gonna pull that way. Oh God, it's been so long. I'm scared, y'all. So, making sure I get everything. Oh snap! Look at that. Let me focus it for y'all. Do y'all see that? Oh, baby. Try not to get it to take too much because that's how you end up getting the wax dripping down all over like unwanted areas where you don't want it. So I'm gonna pull the eyebrow up and just carve out. I'm not gonna overly try and shape my brows because I'm not a brow tech and I'm not trying to be. And that's how you mess up, being overzealous. Okay, so yeah, just right there is where I want to get it off. Take a strip, a cloth strip, I think is the best thing to use. So I put it here. I'm gonna pull this direction. So you just wanna tap. I used to be scared that when you like tap it, it'll spread the wax up to where you don't want the hairs taken off, but it usually works out. That didn't hurt at all. Like I was like, but it didn't hurt. So next we gotta do somebody's nails, but not today, Jesus. All right, so smoothing it out. And yo, this is crazy. Like, what? Yo, book me, like, period. Book me, y'all. Now we're gonna get this unibrow of mine. I'm just gonna swirl, 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 swirl. All right, finished. Like, come on. Okay, I'm gonna just put it in the middle. Oops, I spread it too far to the left. So since I smoothed it up, we're gonna pull the wax down. Once you know the technique and which direction to pull and stuff like that, you'll save yourself a lot of pain and a lot of time. So, looks like I got my nose done. Okay. Yes. I'm not gonna try the top, y'all, because I pretty much like my eyebrows being pretty thick and not so structured. Like, I really hate that looking like a mountain eyebrow. I like a nice curve, but I don't have a nice curve. I do have straight brows, and I have microbladed, so they're like thicker, and I like it that way. So yeah, this is my ghetto rendition of doing your eyebrows at home. And I say ghetto because I didn't have the proper utensils, but it worked out perfectly fine, as you guys can see. And you can get this stuff in your local beauty supply store. It's called GIGI No Stain Wax, and you can use it in the microwave. So it's a hot. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm just gonna clean it up one more time using the astringent. get off any excess wax residue. Woo, child, woo. I should just use the oil or something. So yeah, look, my eyebrows look good. Y'all see how it was looking in the beginning. Like, this is an improvement. Avocado oil is my favorite moisturizing oil for the skin. It's non-comedogenic, so it's not gonna clog your pores. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Put it on like my pinky finger or whatever, and just smooth it out on the areas that you asked. There you have it. Groomed eyebrows. Yeah. So as you guys know, when you go get your eyebrows done, the step after they do the wax, and it's so annoying because it's like, damn, you just put me through so much pain and now you're gonna do more. But when we want our eyebrows done properly, we take the pain. Which this isn't even that painful because I do it a lot, so. But when you're just getting your eyebrows done, it'd be like, damn, like you're not done yet. So, looking at them now, I think that I am satisfied, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Also, comment down below in the comment section and let me know what other video you guys would like to see from me. Yeah, because we don't got nothing else to do during this quarantine season, and I really would love to like keep you guys entertained because I know I'll be needing YouTube to keep me entertained. So yeah, thank you guys.